Hello guys and welcome to a new lesson in Linux. This lesson is about the cd command. The cd command is the command to change between directories. First of all, I'll type ls to display the contents that I have over here. Okay, now as you can see that the blue are the directories and the normal color, the black color, are the files. For example, I would like to get to this directory over here, dir1. I will type cd and then dir1 and enter. And as you can see over here that the terminal is telling me that I am in the directory dir1. I'll type ls to check out what's inside the directory dir1 and enter. And you can see that there's another directory over here by the name dir.a. And notice here that when you type the name of a directory, for example, now I would like to get to directory dir.a, I will type cd dir.a. And notice that when you type the name of the directory, if there is a capital letter, you must type it capital as it is, because Linux is case sensitive. I'll press enter. And now, as you can see, I am inside the directory dir.a. Okay, now how can I go to another directory under the /root? For example, the desktop directory over here. I would like to get to this directory. So to get to this directory, I will type cd and then /root and then /desktop. And of course, if you are using Linux, then you will probably be using the command cd all the time. And in here, because I'm in a different location, I am in dir.a, I had to type the full path of the directory that I want to go to, and I'll press enter. And as you can see here in the terminal, it tells me that I am inside the directory, the desktop directory. Okay, now if I type cd and then 2 dots, this means that I'm telling the terminal to take me one step back. So now I'm in the desktop. If I type the command cd and then 2 dots and then enter, this will get me back one directory, which will get me to the /root. I would like to get to the directory dir.a, the one that I was in before. So I will type cd and then dir1 and then /dir.a. And notice that this time I did not add a slash here before the dir1, because dir1 is under the /root, the place where I am in right now already. So I'll press enter. Okay, now I am inside dir1. So now if you are in any directory and you want to go back to the home directory of the user that you have signed in with, which in this case it's the user root, then you will just type the command cd. Notice that I'm inside two directories right now. I am in dir1 and inside dir1 dir.a, and this is my location right now in dir.a. The command cd will take me to the home directory of the user, which in this case the user root. So I'll press enter, and as you can see, it took me back to the user root. If I type ls, I will find myself in the home directory of the user root. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.